Today, I'll walk you through how to make a weekly time block schedule in Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a structured schedule so you can optimize your time effectively. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're there, look for the grid icon in the upper right corner of the page. This is where you can access all Google Apps. Click on it to reveal the menu. Now from the Apps menu, select Sheets. This will take you to Google Sheets where we can create our schedule. Next, you'll want to click on the Template Gallery option at the top right of the screen. This is where you can find various templates that can help you get started quickly. Once you're in the template gallery, scroll through the options and select a schedule template that suits your needs. This template will serve as the foundation for your time block schedule. Now that you have your template open, it's time to customize it. From the template, simply highlight the cells that correspond to your daily time slots and merge them. This will create larger blocks that represent your scheduled activities. For better personalization, you can change the color of the blocks you just created. This will help differentiate between various tasks and make your schedule visually appealing. Next, type your tasks directly into the blocks you've created. This is where you can outline your daily responsibilities and commitments. As you fill in your schedule, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different from mine. Google Sheets updates frequently, and it's totally normal if this takes a moment. Finally, review your schedule to ensure everything is in order. Make any necessary adjustments to optimize your time management further. And there you have it. You've successfully created a weekly time block schedule in Google Sheets. This method not only helps you stay organized, but also enhances your productivity by allocating specific times for each task. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.